Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying your Asrock motherboard model and the existing BIOS version, so you download the exact firmware. Once done, format a USB drive as FAT32 and place the BIOS ROM and instant flash utility on it. Make sure to record BIOS settings you changed, boot order, XMP, and any overclock or undervolt values. You want a clean environment. Close unnecessary apps and plug the system into a stable power source. This reduces risk and speed. You reboot immediately into UEFI using F2 or delete and head to Tools, then Instant Flash to find the BIOS file on your USB drive. Once selected, confirm the file name and version match the download you verified earlier. This avoids flashing the wrong ROM. Start the flash and stay patient. Instant Flash writes, verifies, and will reboot automatically. Do not interrupt power or reset the system. If progress stalls, wait at least 20 minutes for internal checks before taking action. After the update completes and the board restarts, enter BIOS to load optimized defaults, then reapply any personalized settings you recorded earlier. Make sure the BIOS version displayed matches the update and confirm boot order so the OS starts normally. Once in the operating system, test stability with basic tasks and a quick stress check. If the system won't post or shows corruption, clear CMOS and attempt the flash again, or use the motherboard's BIOS recovery method. That single troubleshooting step fixes most failed updates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.